have the hiccups in it. I don't... Wait. Well, they might be coming in a second, but... Like I said, I'm gonna be making... I'm gonna be making videos. It's like... This one I don't know what to do, so it's gonna be like a bunch of cut-ins and cut-outs, probably. It's like... Bloop, 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 bloop. Stuff like that. Just like... I have a song stuck in my head. Hiccup. My mind just went blank. But, hello my lovelies. Paige here. I am so bored. Oh, by the way, Tyler's back. Yay! And he's not moving now. Just like... I'm drawing. I'll show you guys when I'm done. Hiccup. I drew this. And I taped it to the back of my book. Putting it on my wall. I miss you. I am hiccuping like crazy. And you can hear my dog. Stitch. Now I gotta get the ears out. Stitch. I'm bored. I need something to do, people. Ay. My hair went crazy. Crazy hair. Anywho, what to do? Oh my god. How about a little tweet? I'll put my Twitter down below. You guys can give me some Q&A. You guys can give me some questions for Q&A. Goodness. I'm bouncing from my hiccups. Well, I feel getting boring. How would I do a little? How about I'm going to just be singing random songs as they pop into my head. Then, whoop, boom. Okay, let me think. First thing that pops into my head. Wait. Just give me a reason, just a little bit's enough. Just a second, we're not broken, just bends, and we can learn to love again. Send this stuff. We've been written in the scars of my heart. You're not broken, just bends, and we can learn to love again. I have hiccups like crazy. The night is young, the DJ starts, we are ready to go. Let's make it boom like thunder and lightning. Thunder and lightning. Been a while, baby, a while since I've seen that smile on that beautiful face. I might never be a knight in shining armor. I might never be the one to take home the mother. I might never be the one who brings you flowers, but I can be the one tonight. Like, my room's a mess.